In this movie, let's continue working with components. This time, let's look at the web links component. Web links are simply links to outside websites. What we'll do is group web links into categories and then provide those links to our users so they can go read more information possibly on a specific topic. Sometimes it might just be a hot topic. If people are really interested in a certain item, you can provide them links within your site for that. Then users will look at you as an information source. You can also provide them outside links for different products. It could give them additional information or maybe opinions on another site of how great your product is. So let's go to our back end on our remote Joomla site. Let's go up to our components and down to web links. Right there you can see links and categories. Right now we're on links. We're in the web link manager. Here are specific items, basically our typical toolbar. The difference is here we do have that parameters that we don't have in some of these items. Basically it's going to tell you whether or not we can show these different things. The target is one of the things you'll want to look at. Do you want to just keep it in its parent window, or do you want it to open up in a completely new window? That way when they close out, it will automatically show them your site again. Right here, these are two links that I have created. If we click on one of them, it is quite simple. You just simply type in the URL of the news place that you want them to go to. And right here you can select what category it belongs in. Again, the target that I talked about earlier, if you wanted to open in a completely new window, that way they don't leave your site, you can do that. We'll set that one on there so you can see it. I can also go look at Fox News, that information. Right here I can do the parent window, so it opens up within our parent site, or a new window. Again, it opens up a totally different window, takes them out, but then when they close that, they automatically see our site again, that window with our site. I think it's an easier way to make sure people don't lose you. In case they go outside of there and get sidetracked, when they close that window, they're going to see your site again. Now the categories. Here's where I create the categories for those specific links. Again, I can filter out the categories, select the state, order, access, published or not. If I click on that category title, right here is where I can select the different items. Now you can set it up so only registered users see a certain category of items. Sometimes that's important depending upon how much control and specific access areas you have on your site. It also could just be for special. You might just need certain people to see certain links, like your authors or your editors. I'm going to close that, and let's go make a new category. Let's call this one TV shows. And down here I'm going to just leave all the defaults. I'm not going to worry about a description or anything right now. I'm going to go ahead and save that. So I have my TV shows category, verifies it's saved. I'm going to go to the links. Let's go add a link for that category. We'll select the category, TV shows, and type in the URL. And then we can change this if we want or not, either way. Go ahead and save it. And now we have these web links and our categories. Now, if we go to our site and refresh the page, they're still not going to be on there. We've got to activate specific components and put them on a menu so people can actually click items to use them. So I'm going to go to the administrative side. I'm going to go to menus, and I'm going to click on one of these specific menus. I'm going to go to the help menu. Right here we have specific items. I'm going to make a new item for our menu. And right here you'll see internal links. We have some web links that we set up. We can do a category list layout, and we can do a submission layout. Let's do the category. We'll call this one news links. I'm going to leave all the rest of these as their defaults. Make sure it's published. Select the category news. I'm not going to mess with any of my component parameters for now, or my system parameters. Those look okay. I'm going to hit save. That item has been saved. Now I'll go back and refresh, and over here are my news links. And there's one, and then there's the other. I'll click on CNN. Takes me out to that site. Notice it opened it up in a new window. I can't hit the back button. And then Fox News. Notice it's opening it up in the same window. So now I do have the back button. So either way it works, you can decide how you want those to open up. So take a minute, go in there and add some web links. Don't forget that you can go back to your administrative side at any time, either remove the menu item, or you can go in there into that component of web links and remove any links not being used. So watch them. Let's go back in here into web links. Once we're in there, do watch those items for hits. See how many hits some of your web links are getting.